Welcome to episode 3 of our GOWE Production Base Tour. Today, we take you to Shandong GOWE New Type Material Company, Limited, established in March 2019 as a joint venture between GOWE Holding Group and Canada's HI-LITE Systems. Spanning over 150 mu, with a registered capital of 100 million renminbi and a planned investment of 500 million renminbi, this base is dedicated to delivering end-to-end formwork solutions for global construction. We integrate R&D, design, manufacturing, and installation for high-efficiency systems, including aluminum formwork, shoring, aluminum beams, flying forms, and early stripping systems. With an annual output of 30,000 tons, our products are widely trusted across high-end building markets in North America, Europe, and China. Looking for reliable formwork solutions for your next project? Contact us today or visit our website to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates. GOWE. Together, go further.